much to be here. Thank you.
Denver Argano, Mr. sa Pilipinas, Muntinlupa City.
Because I believe if you believe in yourself, you can achieve what you want in your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ang taas yung energy ko mga host kayo na yan. So, mahirap sulihan. But I will try my best. Once again, my name is Vicky Arevalo and I will be your host for tonight. So, before we proceed, and now for our man of the hour, everyone, please rise as we welcome your representative, our pride, and our inspiration. Let's hear for Denver.
Pressure naman ako. Thank you sa Nanay Jude, sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po.
So, before we start, actually, we would like to acknowledge one of our guests for tonight. So, we have Kathy. Then we also have Nay Jude. Hello, Nay Jude. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to host for this send-off for Denver and also for our sashing and press presentation of our Man of Steel 2025 Season 2. Okay? So we also have Sir Nico D. Nandiyan po ba si Sir Nico? Yeah! Palapakan na pa. Woo! And we also have our media partners. So later I will greet you na lang everyone. So madami tayo. So, kaya ka ba, Denver? Kinakabahan ako sa'yo. So, actually, Denver, this is your second send-off, I believe. No? So, kabado ka ba?
Actually, excited na ako eh. Mas kinamahan ako ngayon.
So, meron tayong mga tatawaging mga special na tao para magbigay ng message for you. So, first, we will call on Kathy. Sino ba si Kathy? Kathy. Ano? Partner mo siya? Akala ko.
Siya talaga yung unang partner.
And everyone, so Kathy.
Sana
Kathy in 10 seconds, 10, 9. To give your wishes.
Sino si Kathy dyan?
Denver, Bobby. Alam mo naman na proud ako sa'yo.
Yeah! Ama na, girl!
Proud ako sa'yo kahit anong mangyari. Andito pa rin ako para sa'yo. And galingan mo para sa mga pagod at hirap na nagawa mo ngayon. Thank you. I love you.
Wow. Dapat sa lips ko lang. And next on, I would like to call on Sir Rico D to give your message to Denver. Sir Rico. Talaga, ulitin natin yung, kahit ulitin na lang nila yung message nila yun.
Wala na akong ibang masasabi kundi yun na. Alam mo, simula pa lang yung sa family ng Lucky Legacy. Yung support na kasi mo lahat. Hindi lang sa'yo, hindi siya lahat. Basta pagka kailangan nyo ng tulong or ano man yan, hindi ka rin naman lagi yan. Simula pa lang yung laban na to, laban natin lahat. And I'm sure may enjoy mo lang yung joining mo sa laban mo na to ay galingan mo na lang. Okay.
Thank you, Sir Rico. Well, actually, yung mga guests na tinatawag natin kasi sila Sir Rico and then yung dalawang tatawagin ko pa, sila yung nag-support kasi kay Denver all the way from Pintados pa lang up to Mr. of Pilipinas. And then ngayon, sa journey niya, sa laban niya, sa Mr. Fitness Supermodel World in Vietnam. So, next natin, we have Miss Yuki Soriano from Yuki Photography. Gulat ka ba, Mami Yuki?
Go Yuki!
Okay, in 5 seconds ko.
Ganda! Closer!
Bye.
Sir Mami Yuki.
Since you started your journey with Denver, with Romel, and June, I always believe in you.
Iya ka ba?
And until sa laban ko, I was so happy. I know you do it. And I know we will be our country's pride. So, basta galing mo lang. We're always here. Madami pang photos lalabas.
Abangan nyo!
Abangan nyo guys. Thank you!
Thank you, Mami Yuki. And lastly, we have Drex Maga from Drex Photography.
Ay, ang dami naman!
Ito yung nagbayad ng hotel.
Ayun, thank you po sa magpunta. Enjoy lang kayo. Ayun, so send off ni Denver. Ang title natin send off party, kaya dapat mag-party tayo kasi pagdating ni Denver sa Vietnam, mananalo siya. Yeah!
Kaya natin yan.
Tapos, thank you kay Nigel, Sir Rico, Yuki, start tayo ng Pintados, photoshoot, Mr. of Pilipinas. Tapos, ito na, nanalo ka na. Tapos mananalo ko ulit. Kaya natin yan. Ayan, wish you luck. Gagaling ang muda. Love you.
Ay!
Kiss na lang. Dahil syempre, i-claim talaga natin yan na si Denver ang ating kauna-unang Mr. Fitness Supermodel World International 2025. So, actually, Denver, medyo mahaba-haba yung listahan. You also have your friends. Maybe call on the reigning Man of Steel 2024, Juan Calma.
Kalma! Ganda naman!
good evening po sa inyo lahat.
Mickey yung sash. Ay, huwag ka magalit mo.
Okay lang po.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo bro, good luck sa journey.
Closer.
Closer,
ano?
Tuloy mo lang yung...
Talasig ka na ba?
Alam ko kaya na yun. At nakasuporta yung power at yung mga sangatropahan.
Yeah!
Laksa Legacy. Thank you po dito sa lahat ng sumusuporta kay Ultra Denver. Ito po yung nag-gate sa akin dito sa Modeling.
Picture naman daw. Media.
Okay na.
Thank you. So, meron tayo din for ito, number 1 fan. May we call on Miss Denise Malalansan. Miss Denise? Nandiyan po ba si Miss Denise? Wala. Ako na lang si Denise.
Si Danilo yun, si Danilo. Correct.
Miss Denise, wala po tayo. No? So, also, nandito yung mga taong tumulong sa journey mo. So, we also have designer. Wala rin yung designer natin. Designer po pala ni Denver yung mga suits na nagagamitin niya si Darby's Ismael. So, ito, ay nabigyan ito. Sobrang important itong tao. Ito yung trainer ko for Q&A mo on Misters of Filipinas. Right? Tama na. So, we call until now, siya pa rin. And siya lang talaga. The one and only, the Q&A. Sorry, I'm sorry. Miss Marigona.
Denver, you know it. Since I trained RJ and Lloyd, never for once that I attended a send-off party. Never. And even if I'm not doing okay, I told you I'm gonna be here for you. Without you guys knowing, I mean, I had to struggle though. But I always carve time because I told you that if RJ can do it, if Lloyd can do it, you can also do it too. Remember how I told you the last time? So, this is the moment that we've been waiting for. I know that the pressure is unfathomable, but I know that you can do things better. Hindi pa tapos yung session natin, we still have way to do it. Thank you for trusting me. It's just that the pressure for Denver was really high after Chelsea Fernandez, ikaw susunod. So I was telling the girls na, si Denver naman for international. So your promise, not only for me as your trainer, but also for everyone, is to make history and be the first ever Mr. Fitness Supermodel World. Love you now.
Nakaka-nose bleed, no? Mga kind of sleep. So, para paglalaban kay... Picture ka mo, Miss Marigona. Huwag po kasi basa-basa alis ng alis.
Ate siya di yung host ah.
Joke lang, no? Siyempre na pressure ako yung English siya. Pero hindi ko siya gagayahin.
Gayahin mo.
And then, siyempre last but not the least, kilala naman natin.
Iiyak na yan!
Actually, inunin natin siya because kung inuna namin to, for sure yung susunod iiyak lahat. So, maybe call on the one and only, the head of, the founder of Laksa, Team Laksa Legacy. Maybe call on my June Laksa. Iyak na yan, naglalakad pa lang.
Una-una gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuport sa Denver. To MOF, hanggang sa namin ngayon sa Vietnam, sa Mr. Fitness Supermodel World. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ang alam mo lang, alam ko lalaki nito.
para magkaroon tayo ng corona. First time. Si Denver po po yung video. Masaya po na
Iyak na yan.
Mike. Mike!
Ilaban nyo na kung ang gusto nyo gawin sa buhay ninyo. Ilaban nyo kung ang sararapan sa inyo. Hindi ka na nilaban yung pera. Lagi na sinasabi na kung di mo pa kaya patalo o nanalo o nanalapan. Okay, ganun si Denver. Si Denver na gusto siya na nung kapitalo at and thank you at Tiwara.
May crown!
May crown yan! Koronahan yan!
Salud. Sa organisasyon po ng Mr. of Pilipinas, maraming salamat po. Sa Tiwara, binigay mo sa amin ni Denver. Alam ko po na kaya, kailangan mo dito itong natin nito. Pray po natin na sa Mr. ni Denver at sa tao nito. Pagpapit na lang para dito. I love you. Love you. Okay po.
Thank you. Picture po ni June. Yes, kay June.
Case kay Nikki!
Bawal yan.
Last pala, sorry. Kay Nico, mula Pintados hanggang Mr. of Pilipinas, hanggang ngayon, nagsuporta pa rin po namin sa amin.
Thank you, Marino. And guys, so hindi pa naman natatapos yung gabi. So Denver, are you ready for some little Q&A from our media partners? So we have opened the floor. We will give the chance to our media to ask Denver. We will select.
Lapit ka, Ning. Lapit ka.
Sorry. We will ask the media. We will call 5 media to ask the questions.
Mike, come here.
2 questions per media. Sorry. First media. Ako na naging
Mo ba? Kasi siya host ka, Ning.
Ayun, meron naman. Pinahirapan lang talaga nila. Sino pa yung unang media natin?
Sir Oski.
First question.
Pakilala ka po muna, sir.
My name is Oscar from the latest Showbiz PH.
Yeah!
So my first question, what are your preparations para sa laban na to?
Preparation ko, syempre is about physique kasi fitness supermodel, so physique is number 1. And yung pasarela ko, prepare ko rin yung practice yung pasarela. And number 3 is yung Q&A, which is si Miss Mary ko na yung Q&A trainer ko. So yung mga preparation na ginagawa ko. And I believe, enjoy ko lang yung sarili ko sa journey ko. And God will do the rest. Yan po.
Good luck!
You have other questions for Ossie? Wala na?
Yeah.
Miss
Lala.
Next media po tayo.
Miss Lala, dalawa lang ah.
Lala from Miss Lala Loves Pageantry.
Hi Denver, this is me, Miss Lala Bantaglion.
Junior.
So my question is, if you could win the title of Mr. Fitness Supermodel 2025, so what are your plans after winning?
After winning that.
Other plans, I'm trying to win the Mr. Fitness Supermodel World 2025. I will continue to inspire people that doing fitness is very important to our daily lives, because fitness is not about our physical look only, but also our mental. Because fitness para sa akin is very personal para sa akin to. Kasi without fitness, wala akong dito sa akin na patayo ko ngayon. Kasi yun yung isang bibili sa akin ng way para punta sa model. So, fitness is sobrang mahalaga para sa akin. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Lala.
Jessica Soho.
Hi, Amber. First of all, I'd like to ask her, this is Anne from the Crowning Moment. So first of all, I'd like to wish you good luck on your journey kasi malapit ko yung pageant. So I think, at least for the rest of the people who are here, actually vying for the Man of Steel crown. And you know, you've undergone that phase of transitioning from a bikini contest to the national stage. So ano yung one thing that you can advise them when it comes to doing that transition from that point?
One thing I can advise to them, siguro, kasi ako, I really wanted to join national pageant before. Kaso, pipigilan ako ng sarili ko mismo kasi lagi ako nag-doubt sa sarili ko na baka ma-judge ako kasi sasabihin ng iba, from bikini lang yan, ganito, ganyan. So, that time, hindi talaga ako nag-try mag-pageant, national pageant lalo yan. Then, one time, nung sumali nga ako ng Pintados, which is Sinanay June, then, nanalo ako, then, opportunity na lumagat na pwede ako sumali ng Sisters. Yung muna, nag-doubt pa rin ako, pero, pinakita ko lang kung ano ko. And walang imposible pag may pangarap ka. Lalo na wala kang ginagawang masama or wala kang pinapakatao. Mapapayo ko lang sa kanila, small steps talaga is part of success, lalo na sa dream ko. So mapapayo ko lang sa kanila, tuloy lang nila yung gusto nila sa buhay, lalo yung mga pangarap nila. Kasi walang imposible kasi lalo na pag pupursige na papunta sa pangarap mo. So yun lang, kasi one day dadating yung panahon na nandun ka na pala sa pangarap mo. Yun lang.
And on a lighter note, so syempre you're traveling to Vietnam. What are the things, like question lang to, what are the things that you look forward to when you get there?
Looking forward sa Vietnam is yung place nila and food and yung people and yung culture nila, yung and tsaka yung makilala yung mga co-candidates ko and makilala ka rin kami ng kultura. Yun. And syempre, na-share yung kultura natin mga Pilipino. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ange, for the message.
Hi, Denver. Good evening po sa lahat. By the way, I'm RJ. So my question is, ano yung maging edge mo sa ibang candidates pagdating doon sa Vietnam and ano yung magiging offer mo or ma-offer mo sa mga candidates or sa mga taga-Vietnam as magiging fitness supermodel at represent ng Philippines?
Sorry, pwede ba pakulit?
English daw, English.
Ano yung magiging edge mo sa mga candidates? Then ano yung magiging or ma-i-offer mo na bilang representative ng Philippines?
Edge ko, I'm not saying na siguro physical kasi maraming gwapo talaga actually. So, yung edge ko siguro yung personality ko kasi sobrang so, kung titignan nyo kasi ako, yung first job mukha ako suplado pero hindi ako suplado. Ganda din ako. And I'm very friendly and helpful and kind. Yun yung masishare ko sa kanila and yung masishare ko as a Filipino, yung pagiging hospitality natin and family-oriented and kind, yun yung masishare ko sa kanila. Thank you.
Yeah!
Man of Steel candidates, listen, later on your press presentation, okay?
Hi Denver, this is Jojo Mabanas from the Pageantry Platform. Nanood ka ng Man of the World, nakita kita doon. So, nakita mo yung mga performances sa mga candidates. So, what comes to your mind? Ano yung pumasok sa isip mo na, wait, pag ako ninanyo sa stage, ganito yung gagawin ko?
What comes to my mind, ang una-una talaga pumasok sa isip ko is enjoy lang yung journey. Kasi nakita ko sa mga candidates, yung iba medyo eager sila na manalo. So, pagka napapansin ko, mas eager ka sa crown or manalo, bibili ka, mas lalong lumalayo sa iyo yung crown. So, parang ipakita mo na lang sa mundo kung ano ka at ano yung may share mo sa personality mo. So, the rest, kung saan yung ibibigay, saan yung ibibigay talaga. So, yun lang. So, para sa akin, mag-enjoy lang ako sa journey ko, ipapakita ko kung ano ako, sino ako. Yun lang.
And so, may questions po?
Last question. Okay. Follow up. Why do you think you should be the next Mr. Fitness Supermodel World?
As a Filipino fitness enthusiast, siguro, marami akong may-share and may-inspire sa tao. Kasi, just a little bit story, no? Before ako sumali sa Pindados, I was so depressed and stressed talaga and anxiety yan. Lahat na. Sobrang down ko. Yung pinaka-down ko talaga that time. Tapos, nagbigay ng opportunity sa Pindados. Bumalik ako ng modeling. And doon, nabus uli yung confidence ko, and yung dream ko, parang nabuhay ako. So, sa ma-share ko pag ako yung nanalo, I will inspire people na do fitness kasi fitness find peace para sa akin. And I think makikita rin nila yun pag nag-fitness journey din. So, yung fitness is very personal to me and malaking nabago sa akin ito. And I believe that fitness can change our lives talaga. So, yun lang po.
Thank you for the best of luck.
Thank you to our media partners. So,
I'm
meron pa. So,
ay po. Denver, pwede naman pasama ng introduction mo. Yes! Get ready guys for a video.
Pwedeng tayo.
Pwedeng tayo daw. Wala naman.
Nakapauntot. Sample lang, sample.
Denver Regana, Fitness Supermodel World, Philippines!
Thank you so much to our Yes, po? Ayan. So, before we end, actually, I would like to thank our media partners. So, we have Drex Baylor, The Crowning Moment, Pageant RBH, Elite Male Pageantry, Greatest Beauty Queen of the World, 10 Show, The Pageantry Platform, Pageant Bug PH, Ginger Bex TV, or Hot or Not, Ginger Bex Pageantry, Male Pageantry PH, Maui Life Pageantry, we have Bar Loves Pageantry PH, Boys Love Philippines, Man of the Hour PH, Miss Lala Loves Pageantry, Marco Loves Pageantry. We also have Vanilicious. Then we have Makisig TV. We have GFB, Crown Pageantry PH, and UP Photography. Yung daming media natin tonight. So, Denver, before we wrap up your send-off, actually, no? So, to symbolize our support and belief in your strength and purpose, we present you this token or symbol as a reminder that wherever you go, you carry with the heart of your people. So we will on Cathy to be the symbol.
Nasaan si Cathy?
Alam na may symbol.
Go, Cathy!
Mag-uusap tayo kahit mamaya.
Photo! Isa pa. Anong pa ba? Miss me. Okay, delete.
Ayan. So, Denver, so before we wrap up again your send-off party, any last words or message to your supporters? Or you can also invite them on your campaign.
Thank you so much sa lahat na nandito. Maraming salamat po. And especially, maraming salamat po Nanay June. Maraming salamat Nanay. I love you Nanay. And sa rin and Peps TV and family, maraming salamat po. And sa mga media, maraming po. Salamat sa inyo. GBTQ, maraming salamat po. And kaya sir, sa nandito pa ngayon, maraming salamat. Wasmiko, maraming salamat po from the start. Love you po, Wasmix. Thank you.
So, magkakaroon tayo.
Love you, Denver! Guwapo!
Magkakaroon si Cathy, si Miss Yuki, Sir Rico, Nay June, para photo up tayo kay Denver. Sir Rico, Nay June, Ma'am Yuki, dapat isang tawag niya. And so, guys, hindi ko na natapos yung gabi ha. After our send-off party for Denver, we have the sashing and press presentation of our Man of Steel 2025 Season 2. So, candidates, pwede na kayo mag-prepare.
Miki, sama ka na!
Miki, sama ka na.
Kuya!
Sa kanya muna. Sa amin naman.
Dito naman, upload agad.
Eh, may wala kang data.
Ah?
Wala kang data.
Oh guys, picture na!
For media, pwede po tayong pumunta dito for picture din din. For SK June, we have anything to say?
Oh, lapit na! Girl, pila na. Go, 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 go. Ay, na ako mag-picture.
So we would like to thanks and acknowledge yung gawa ng NatCross ni Denver, si Sir Patrick Isorena. Ay, grabe. So, Sir Patrick to, maganda, promise, feeling ko. Also, we would like to thank our host, yung ating host for tonight, ng presentation natin, Music Box. Thank you so much po, Music Box. And for media, compress na lang tayo, guys.
Compress.
So our candidates, pwede na kayo mag-prepare for our Man of Steel candidates natin. As we will take a short break.
Okay, kitang-kita kayo. Make sure kita nyo ako ah. Teka lang. Dito ba na? Dito. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Saba, 1, 2, 3. Up, dito naman.
Denver. And so guys, sit back, relax. We have so many things in store for us tonight. Prepare na ba yung mga candidates?